乜嘢啊？英文、中文先啦。
中國
工傷係咯，工傷有賠償嗰啲工傷啊。即係 industrial hazard 啊嘛。我想問啊，你話咩啊？唔緊要啊，唔緊要啊，你唔笑唔緊要啊。但我想問你啊，咁你全身係乜嘢咧 ？ICDC 唔係，好簡單啫。你一係而家係笑，你一係就唔好笑，唔好。但係你係笑唔笑，你都要答我問題喎。ICDC 係乜嘢全名？英文，英文。係啦，冇錯啦。嗱，呢個就全名啦。Very good。嗱，咁你就會 involve 個 cost 係1毫子一張啦。咁你 process 5000張喎，再加埋每次嘅 charge 個 GTP， 個 GTP 就10蚊一次嘅。OK， 咁咧就去呢個工商銀行。好啦，如果我用咁嘅 system 咧，個 benefit 會係乜嘢咧 ？Average daily collection 咧就會係你會慳咗750萬。點樣計啊？5000張個票你要 process 噶嘛，而每張票個 value 咧係大概500蚊人民幣，跟住你有3個 location，OK， 所以有750萬。而因為呢個 system 可以令你慳咗2日嘅 delay 嘛，所以你 total 佢慳咗嘅 amount 咧就會係750萬乘2，等於1500萬人民幣。好啦，呢個係你嘅 benefit。另外你要 compare 翻你個 cost， 你個 cost 係乜嘢咧？個 cost 就係你個 daily operating cost。daily operating cost 頭先講咗就係你要 process 嗰5000張票啦，一個 location 啦，跟住乘翻1毫子一張啦。咁你 total 有3個 location 啊嘛，咁你即係15000張票啦，每日要 process， 跟住乘翻1毫子，再加翻咧 transfer 個 wire fee 10蚊一次3個 location， 加埋係1530蚊。好啦，而家跟住你要揾翻呢一個 cost 嘅 present value。呢個 cost 嘅 present value 咧，就將佢當一個 perpetuity 去睇。OK， 你每日都要 involve 1530蚊嘅，咁你間公司供應 concern 嘅，咁即係話呢一個 cost 嘅 net present value 幾多咧？個 present value 幾多？個 present value 就係1530蚊，除翻0.0001%，OK， 係等於1530萬。好啦，當你有 benefit 又揾到 cost 之後咧，你就揾到個 NPV 啦。個 NPV 就係將個 benefit 減 cost 就等於負300萬啦。所以個 conclusion 係乜嘢？你會唔會做呢個 system？ 唔會啦，因為 the company should not accept this lockbox proposal as the NPV is negative。OK， 嗱呢一條就好 typical 嘅，我哋會將幾個 concept 擺埋落去咯。Working capital management 再加呢個 capital budget。嗱 flow 嘅嘢就講完啦，咁而家就睇翻嗰條題目咯喎。Chapter 19 Question 1。太快。OK， 嗱，其實呢條就講叫你揾個 average daily flow 啫。average daily flow 就好簡單，頭先講咗，係點樣計啊？個 average daily flow 就係你個 total flow amount daily 乘翻個 number of day 除翻一個月有30日，乘翻30日啫。咁條題目俾你啦，佢話佢 total 咧嗰個 flow 係156,000啊嘛 ，Joint Corporations。咁你跟住有4日嘅 delay 嘛，咁將佢乘咗4啦，跟住除翻30 per day 就變咗係20800啦。OK， 呢個係一個 way 去做。另一個 way 我可以用一個 weighted average 頭先個方法去做。有4日令你有 flow， 而你4日之內嗰個 flow 就係156,000。OK， per day。跟住另外咧就其他日子你就零嘅 flow 嘅，所以揾翻個 weighted average 咧就係等於20800。兩個 method 都應該揾到 exactly the same 嘅嘛，就係咁啦，咁就完㗎啦噃。OK， 好。然之後跟住就少少，使唔使 break？ 唔使 break， 我就可以同你講 TMA。唔使我照講啦，嗬。咁啊講完之後，講完 TMA 就可以放學㗎啦。記住我哋有補課。 OK， 咁啊 location 我就會再通知你。嗰日就睇翻你哋個 TMA 睇翻個筆。OK， 嗱呢度咧 TMA 啲 marking scheme 咧就我唔希望你哋會影咗相咯，抄可以抄咯 ，OK， 但唔好影相我希望。咁同埋我好快咁講，你知道 concept 就得㗎啦 ，OK。第一條，嗱咁 System A 嗰個 payback 係4.04嘅 year， 咁你會計到㗎啦。System B 個 payback 係3.65 year。如果淨係計用 payback 嚟去衡量兩個 project System A 同 B 咧，咁你就會應該揀 System B 嘛，因為佢係細過4年嗰個 critical year 啊嘛 ，OK。好啦，咁呢度好簡單啦，去到 Part B 啦喎。Part B 咧，佢叫你用 NPV 同埋 IR 去比啊，跟住咁 NPV 個 method 咧 ，for System A 咧就係58132.817。如果用 NPV B System B 咧，個 NPV 係43483.2411。咁你見到如果係 NPV method， 你都應該揀 System A 啦。好啦 ，IR 咯噃。如果 IR 咧用翻呢條公式啦，咁你揾到 IR for System A 咧係15.94512679%。for System B 係17.33885%。咁即係話如果用 IR 邊個高啲啊 ？System B 高啲咯噃。好啦，跟住啊，咁呢度20分我中唔知點解設20分俾你哋。跟住就講話 ，under the NPV rules, both systems are acceptable. Since the NPV for A and B are greater than 0, System A ranks ahead of B, since it has higher, larger NPV. 嗱，如果佢唔係 mutually exclusive， 即係你兩個 project 都可以做嘅話咧，你就揀邊個先咧？即係如果佢叫做 ranking， 你都揀先頭啦 ，OK。就你揀咗 System A， 如果用 NPV method 你就揀咗 A 先，跟住揀 B。好啦，如果用 IR method 去揀咧 ，OK， 咁你就用 System B 先個 A 啦喎。The ranking reverse System B rank ahead of A as the 70% IR of B being greater than 60% IR。呢個就係 Part B 嘅 answer 啦。咁其實你會寫多啲嘢，因為20分我都唔知你expect你寫幾多嘢，你盡量寫多啲啦嚇 ，OK。如果你就咁樣寫咧，淨係咁答呢啲咧，我會着2比分嘅。好啦 ，Part C 咯噃 ，Part C 跟住做個 summary 啦。如果 payback 咧，你兩啲晒出嚟啦 ，payback 啊會邊個 system 係幾多啊 ？NPV 邊個 system 幾多啊？跟住做翻 IR 又係啊，然之後跟住做翻啲 conclusion 啊，我就話啦 ，both system have cost NPV and IR above the firm's cost of capital. System A, however, exceeds the maximum payback period requirement. 但係你要睇埋下邊咯喎 ，because it is so close to the 4-year maximum payback period method, is an okay, exceed to the 4-year maximum method. And the payback method is an unsophisticated capital budget technique. System A should not be eliminated from consideration.